How are you?
What's up?
Yeah, good. How
I'm
about
good.
you?
How are you?
Yes, I'm doing good also. Thank you so
I'm good.
much.
Thank you. No problem.
Yeah, I was really so desperate to be on the PK with you or with anyone. As you know, that I am just trying to learn English by using this application. So I tried to get the PK bicycle because it's really a good fun also because it's like interview. So it's really a good experience.
Yeah.
Yeah, where do you come from, please?
I live in Canada. Where do you live?
Oh, Canada. Okay, I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, do you know about my country?
No, I don't know a lot.
My country is located just next to India and Pakistan.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, and even most importantly, I like to introduce my country. We are independent from Pakistan in 1971. We had a long battle for 9 months. 9 months. We had to battle to
Mm,
get freedom from Pakistan. So we are happy to be independent country.
okay.
You are listening my voice, so honestly, it's really the biggest gift for me.
Aw, thank you.
Yeah. What do
Well,
you
nice
do?
meeting you.
Yeah. What do you do? May I know, please?
What do you mean, like for work?
Yeah. Yeah. For work.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
I work in accounting.
You work in accounting. Oh, sounds good. So I think it's a weekend. Your
Yeah.
weekend is Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay. So how often do
What do you
you?
do?
Oh, yeah. Well, sorry. I do just a business here in my country. Business is not going well actually. There are lots of problems we have been just confronting, and hopefully we will get rid of this. And yeah, but as I know, you people just like to enjoy your life. So how do you make fun on the weekend or any more time? When do you wanna to be fun?
Um, um, well, it depends on the weekend and how much time I have. It depends. But I don't do too many crazy stuff. What do you do on your weekends?
Oh yeah, we just basically, you know what? My country is not developed, just developing country. So every day we have to suffer lots of problems to fight to for my family. So basically on the weekend when I see our that we can't earn the adequate money to fight for my family, so we don't on that moment we don't have any appetite to make fun our life. That's why we don't have much appetite on the weekend to make fun with friends. But whatever I get the time, I try to go to the coffee shop, and that's it, and go to the playground for playing cricket, football, or any more game.
Okay. One of the people in my life asked if you have roosters and what time it's in your country.
It's 9:28 a.m. morning time.
In the morning?
Yeah, in the morning.
Okay. And they asked if you have roosters.
Yeah, yeah, we have.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, just my mom has so many roaster here. My mom also just look
Mhm.
after them as well at home.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah. Do you have dog or any pet animals?
Yeah, I have a dog.
Oh, you have a dog. Right. Good. Sounds good. Oh,
Mhm.
one thing I like to know when you're gonna to buy a pant. So how much you have to pay for a pant?
For a pet?
Yeah.
It depends. Like some dogs are anywhere from like 1,000 to like $5,000.
What? $5,000?
It depends. Like for certain dogs, yeah.
Bangladesh is a good producer of garments. So anyway, Thank you so much for joining with me. I'm really so happy and appreciated. Hopefully, I will start my day with a good dream because of you. I didn't get any guest just
Thank you.
like you.
Well, thank you so much for always joining my live and supporting me.
Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Bye.